Alright, so today is day one of something that could either be a genius experiment or a complete failure. For the next 30 days, I'm attempting to something crazy. I'm going to start a brand new faceless YouTube channel, and the goal is to monetize it as fast as possible. And this is not one of those fake guru challenge where they just talk theory. I'm actually gonna be doing this live. You are going to build a channel together, create everything, and share the result, showing you exactly what's working and what's not, what we are going to change, and everything, all the behind the scenes. And the challenge ends the moment we monetize our channel and make our first dollars, or when the 30 days are up. So if you ever want to start a YouTube channel, whether a faceless YouTube channel or face review YouTube channel, and you are curious about how YouTube works right now, you can follow this challenge as a real-time blueprint. Alright, so starting from day one, which is actually this video, we are going to start from absolute zero. Alright, so the first thing we are going to figure out is the niche we are going to base our channel on. So for the niche research, okay, so while I was researching for what's actually going viral, I came across this channel that posts in hundreds of thousands of views and posts every single week, as you can see. But what's crazy about this channel is it was launched less than 6 months ago, and it has only 24 uploads, and it has already more than 4 million views. For a new channel, this is honestly insane in my view, especially since the RPM in this niche is around 2 to 3 euros, maybe dollars per 1,000 views, which means with 4 million views, this channel has already generated roughly $12,000 in revenue only in AdSense. So here's the part that really caught my attention. And if you look at the posting schedule, this creator isn't even uploading like consistently. Sometimes once a week, sometimes once every 2 weeks. This is crazy. Which means if we can upload every day or every 2 days to 3 days, of course, uploading every day is going to be very difficult in this niche. But every 2 or 3 days, if we can post consistently, that simple means that we could potentially outperform them, right? Simple. And the best part, the videos are actually very simple to make. Okay, all you have to do is to play a game, if I understand, with the right concept. Okay, no crazy editing, no expensive setup, nothing complicated. The game they are just using is called Still a Brain Rot. I've never played it before. Okay, so before we do anything, I'm going to watch a quick tutorial and actually see exactly what's going on and how they do the thing, right? All right, I get it now. It's actually really simple, okay? Creators walk down on a red carpet. Each one has a price. You can buy them, okay? They go to your base, and once they arrive, they generate money for you actually. And you press a button to collect the cash, and then you use that cash to buy creators that cost more and but also make more. So basically, it's a loop of upgrading until you get the most expensive creators. But here's the funny part, okay? We can also steal creatures from other players' bases. So yeah, that's where the thing actually get interesting. And the best thing, the game is actually on Roblox platform, which is much easier, super easy, okay, to access and start playing immediately. So we'll jump into that very soon. But before that, there's actually another problem we need to solve. Understanding the game is one thing, but understanding what type of concept will actually go viral is another thing. Because if you look at this creator channel, you notice something important. They don't post random videos. Each video has a specific concept, and the videos with more views clearly show which concept performed the best. Okay, so instead of guessing what might work, we are going to reserve engineer what's already working. Okay, simple as that. So here's the technique I usually use. I take the video title, translate it into English. Why I say English? Because this is in French, and also my channel I'm going to create it in French. The video are going to be in French, and for those who don't know me, I'm a French guy. Simple as that. Don't worry about it. I already know the translation, but I'm going to copy so you guys can know. So I translate into English, and that is it. As you can see, now I copy it and search it. Most of the time this reveals the original creator, because most of the French guy copy from English, you understand, or similar viral version that you will see. So let's try it. All right. And yeah, look at that. We just found another creator making the exact same type of video, same structure, same thumbnail, same idea, but in English. As you can see, crazy. which means that we now have a blueprint, right? So it's actually simple. We find a concept that's already working, but the French creator hasn't done it yet, okay? Because I'm creating a video in French, so I want to target the French zone. So if I scroll a bit right here, as you can see, perfect example, this video has 2 million views and he hasn't uploaded this concept on his channel yet. So the strategy is obvious. We are going to remain the exact concept of this video, same structure, same, not same but similar thumbnail style, okay? Proving idea, but we'll do it in French. I'm doing it in French because this is what I want my channel to be based on. You don't need to do the same, okay? So now that we have the concept, we need to understand exactly how the video works so we can recreate it properly, okay? So I'm opening it to actually understand how it works. Alright, so basically he's just playing on a girl only server and he's just messing around inside this. That's literally the idea. Another thing we can do, okay, to save a lot of time is scroll down, click show transcribe, copy everything, okay, and you are going to paste it into ChatGPT to get a summary. Because let's be honest, I don't really want to like sit down and be watching a full 20-minute video just to analyze it, okay? So you can watch it if you want to be extremely precise, but usually summarize are enough to understand structure and the concept. So we paste it and ask for summary. Okay. So as you can see, basically the whole idea is just join a girl server, troll, steal creatures, interact, create funny moment. That is it. Okay. So simple concept, simple execution, higher entertainment value, and exactly what we want. But here's something interesting I found during research. Apparently there's a trick. There are actually some private server where you can do anything you want. You can give yourself a rare creatures instantly. Any creature that you want, you can just pick it. And that simply means that instead of grinding for hours just to make a video, you can just jump to the next rare creatures, the rare items, anything you want. And since nobody can tell you are on a private server, you actually looks completely normal in the video, which is perfect for content. So that's exactly what we are going to do. We are not going to grind, they're just playing a video just to make a long video. We don't have time for that. So this is the ending of day one. What did we do actually? I think we found a niche. We analyzed a viral channel, right? A real reserve engineer winning concept, and we choose video idea. We learned the game, okay, and we found a strategy advantage. And honestly, for day one, this is actually a very strong start. And tomorrow the next upload is where things gets very serious, because day two is actually where we create our channel, we record our video, we edit, we do a lot. We are going to do a lot of things on a day two. So I think it's tomorrow we are going to see if this challenge is going to burn down or is actually going to work. We don't know. We are going to see all that tomorrow. So if you want to follow this challenge day by day, maybe we are not going to post like every 24 hours because I have time to edit everything. Maybe every 2 days, I don't know for now. But for the day two, if you want to know how things are going, hit that subscribe button, and most importantly, hit that notification bell. Is very important, and set it on all so you'll be notified when I drop the next video. So you'll see how the progression and everything is going about the channel, if we actually agree to be monetized within this 30 days challenge. And this is it for today. I'll see you in the two. It was Joshua. Peace out.